Luxury, comfort, and contemporary design. This 2020 new construction home sits in the heart of the Division Clinton hotspot, a vibrant community with a walk score of 95 and bike score of 97. The grand design with reclaimed wood accents offers an elegant interior infused with natural light. The kitchen is ready for the chef with a massive quartz island, high-end stainless appliances, plenty of soft-close cabinets, and custom tile. Designer lighting and a reclaimed wood wall frame the dining room with access to the covered patio. Enjoy your corner office with tall windows and flowing wood floors. On the upper level, enter your master suite oasis with beautiful architectural details and custom automatic blinds throughout. Unwind in your thoughtfully designed ensuite bath. This home of 2,800 square feet has 2 more bedrooms on this upper level, plus another full bath. At ground level, a ready ADU or multi-generational living space has a kitchen, outside entrance, and its own laundry. An exceptional home offering an amazing lifestyle in a vibrant neighborhood. It's all here ready for you to call home. For more information or to schedule your own personal tour, please contact Gigi Duncan with Premier Property Group.